Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a payment in PayPal. Even if you have zero knowledge about PayPal or don't have any bank account connected, don't worry. This tutorial is super simple and beginner friendly. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Log in using your email and password. Once you're inside your PayPal dashboard, we're going to look at how to organize your payments so your account stays clean and easy to manage. On the home screen, look for the menu on the top and click on Activity. This is where PayPal shows all the payments you've sent, received, or any transactions linked to your account. Now, PayPal doesn't have a traditional archive button like email. Instead, PayPal uses something called Show and Hide to help you organize your transactions. In the Activity section, find the payment you want to hide or archive. You'll see a small three-dot menu on the right side of that transaction. Click on the three dots. A tiny drop-down will appear. Here you'll see an option called Hide. When you click this, PayPal removes that transaction from your main activity view. This works like archiving. Your transaction isn't deleted, it's just hidden from the list. If you're using the PayPal mobile app, the process is very similar. Open the app, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom, scroll to the payment you want to archive, and again, tap the three dots. You'll see the option to hide the transaction. Now, if you ever want to view the hidden transactions later, go back to the Activity page on the browser and look for the Filter option on the top left. Click on Filters, and inside the filter list, select Hidden. When you apply this filter, PayPal will show all the payments you previously hid. So nothing is gone permanently, you can unhide them anytime. This is useful when you want to keep your PayPal account dashboard clean, especially if you make a tutorial, accept payments, or just want to organize old transactions without deleting anything. So that's how you archive or hide a payment in PayPal. It's simple, it keeps things organized, and you don't need a linked bank account to do this. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.